Good day children. Today in this video we will see grammar, phrases and clauses and vocabulary, binomial expressions. So what is a phrase and what is meant by clause? A phrase is a group of two or more words that conveys a short single piece of information. A clause consists of a large piece of information. It has a subject and a verb. See, Messi is a great football player. Now, a great football player is the phrase. Yes? He is sleeping on the bed. The first part of the sentence, he is sleeping, is a clause because it has a subject, he is the subject here, and a verb, sleeping. On other hand, the remaining part of sentence, on the bed, is a phrase. On the bed is a phrase because it lacks both the subject and the verb. Yes? So, as you know, there are different kinds of sentences. Declarative sentence, which gives information or make a statement. Interrogative sentence, to ask questions which end up in a question mark. Imperative sentence, give instructions or commands. It's like an order. Yes. Exclamatory sentences expresses strong feelings which ends up with exclamation mark. Negative sentences use words like no, never, not, none, and so on. So listen. Please go to the bakery and get a loaf of bread. Interrogative. How will you change this sentence into interrogative sentence? This statement into interrogative sentence. Will you please go to the bakery and get a loaf of bread? Can Ali swim across this river? Change it into declarative sentence, which is a statement. So this form is in interrogative. We will change it into declarative. Ali can swim across this river. Jenny wanted to go to Kochi last summer. Yes, change it into negative. So what is the answer? Jenny did not want to go to Kochi last summer. Yes, did not want. Did not is the negative word here. So it has been changed into negative sentence. Now coming to vocabulary, which you will learn binomial expression. She wanted everything to be spick and span. What do you mean by spick and span? Neat and clean. So this is which is called as phrase. Yes, it doesn't have any subject, it doesn't have any verb. Yes, so it is a part of phrase. Spick and span means neat and clean. This is a binomial expression. A binomial expression is a pair of words found together in a particular order with a fixed meaning. It has a fixed meaning. It usually has two words joined by a conjunction such as and, or, and so on. Loud and clear is meant for conveying your point in a very clear way. Avoids confusion or misunderstanding. See the sentence. Hopefully, my point came across loud and clear. That is, my statement, my point has come across everyone with loud and clear, avoiding confusion or misunderstanding. This is the meaning of this sentence. We arrived home safe and sound. That is, we came to our home without any harm. Rise and shine. Used to wake someone up. Act lively and do well. That is the meaning of the phrase rise and shine. It's time to rise and shine. The sun is up. Rise and shine. These are some examples of this phrase. Pros and cons. What do you mean by pros and cons? Of something are its advantages and disadvantages. Seeing the advantages and disadvantages of a particular thing before doing it, which you consider carefully so that you can make a sensible decision. For example, they sat for hours debating the pros and cons of setting up their own business. They sat for hours debating the advantages and disadvantages of setting up their own business. Up and down. Usually to look or to feel up and down means to look or to feel absolutely screwed up. The tiger paced up and down in its cage. That is, the tiger was going here and there in an annoying way, walking in an annoying way, up and down in its cage.